I'm Lolly, also known as Happymummyshopper. This week I'm in Exmouth and staying in a Premier Inn. For the first time I've booked a Premier Plus room as we haven't got the kids with us. Unfortunately at the moment you can only book a Premier Plus room for 2 people. So come with me and check out if you should pay more to upgrade to one of these rooms, and it is worth it. Whilst you're watching, please subscribe to my channel too. All the Premier Plus rooms at Exmouth are on the 2nd floor. You can take the lift or the stairs like me. You will need your room key to access the lifts or the door to the stairs. So let's have a look. So I've got room 211, so we're going to head this way. And it's here. Let's have a look. Okay. So I'm in my Premier Plus room. Let's look what we've got here. So we've got a hairdryer, same as the normal rooms, little footstool, and then we've got the main bed. So we've got the lights here, we've got the main light, and then we've got the backlight, and then there's a little switch up there for the reading light. Switch those off for now. So what else have we got here? We've got the chair, nice chair to sit on if you're doing work, and you've got another light here. Go, bit of a light, and then you've also got down here, which is completely different to the normal rooms. We've actually got a little fridge, which is brilliant, and we've got 2 free bottles of water as well. You go help yourself, and it's complimentary, enjoy. Shut that up, and then we've got the coffee maker there, Nespresso. We've got some little chocolates, got some milk. What's this one here? Oh, Earl Grey, mint tea, and English breakfast tea, and we've got a couple of glasses and mugs. We've got a little bench over here, over this way, got a chair and to sit down in, and then out here we've got the amazing view from our window, and you can see right onto Exmouth Beach, which is fantastic. And then this, you can't actually open the window, it's got restricted opening. But there is air conditioning in this room. And just back over here, so we have got the telly, which is opposite the bed, just there. And then also if you wanted to, you've got an ironing board, and you've got an iron, and that'll be extra pillows up there, I'm guessing. That's where the air conditioning is. And then in here, we've got the bathroom. Let's have a look. So we've got our towels, and then we've got got Bayliss and Harding. We've got 2 different types of body wash there. So we've got the bath, there's a big shower up there. And then over here, we've also got a body wash to wash your hands with. And then we've got just the toilet roll. And then back out here. And then also we've got hooks so you can put your coats on. And then you've also got the room hanger so you can have it for sleeping, or if you'd like your room cleaned. And then of course this is where I put my key in to turn the lights on. And then also here we've also got, as you can see, this is where the air conditioning is, so you can change it up and down like so if you wanted to. So also got a little folder saying welcome to your Premier Plus room, and it tells you how to control the room temperature controls, and then it's also got a menu if you're eating in the Premier Inn, and also just about their cleaning system. And that's it.